So we've all seen those videos where they say you can take an Apple wired keyboard like this one over here, run it underwater, and it will fix it. Well, let's see how it goes. So what we have is an Apple wired keyboard. It's plugged in, but it's not working. So if I go over there and I'm typing on the keys, nothing's happening, which pretty much sucks. So I'm going to do the trick of washing it and see if that works. So we have some nice hot water. The water's pretty warm. And I'm just going to start rinsing it, just like that. So I'm using a hairdryer to dry it out. So the moment of truth has arrived. I'm gonna plug it back in and let's see how that goes. And it works. Yes!